Alright, so I welcome you all to NerikoMC. So you're probably watching this because you want to know what NerikoMC is. Well, basically, NerikoMC is a survival, chill, MMORPG. No, not totally MMORPG, but we still have it's different. But basically, we have dungeons, we have skills that doesn't require that much, visual effects. So it's like a little different from the survival, but just really different. But if you're not happy with that, you can just simply play in the usual way, like the SMP thing. All right. So of course, once you get in here, you will be asked to register. Make sure you register that one. You put your password. Any password will do. Let's say you're gonna type your YouTube, then you're going to repeat it. So register YouTube, or any password you wanted. Then once you've done that, and if in any case you wanted to reconnect or you want to rejoin the server, you can just type login and the password you set up earlier, and that's it. Now, once you get in here, you will see a couple of items. This item, server selector, server information. So when you right click that, some information on the chat will display. If there's a lot of players, which is not usable right now. I mean, not no one uses that. Not much player in the lobby as of now. So you're gonna right click this one or tap and hold in the air for Bedrock. You will see some option: hardcore, lobby, survival, and existing player. Hardcore is temporarily turned off, so we're planning to working that one out probably in the next season. Lobby is just where you are right now, and then the survival is this is where you will be routed to the selection of your role. And this one is only applicable for existing players that got routed to the lobby. If in any case, and when you're done registering and logging in, you can just, or maybe talk to this one if you're not familiar with that. Well, someone died with a level 194 Vindicator. Oh yeah, we have that levels for the mobs. So make sure you're not far from the spawn, if especially if you're newbie, because the farther you are from the spawn, the the hard, I mean the high level the mobs is. So you're gonna talk to this guy, right click on it, and you go to the survival. You will be routed in here, which it will ask you um to be if you are going to be a PvP player or a PvE or chill player, which is as you can see in here. So chill player is simply chill, just playing chill, and you'll just want to build anything like that, just play, you know. On the other hand, which is the PvP, um, that's very violent, but yeah, by the way, on the chill, they have a way to turn off their PvP. They can turn it off and then turn it on, but they're not allowed to simply steal from players, destroy players, kill players whenever they want. On the other hand, which is the PvP player, of course, they can do that because they're PvP. But there are little rules about it because PvP player is not allowed to kill PvE or chill players. So as you can see here, which gives you violence. You will not have the ability to turn off your PvP. You're not allowed to kill player that has PvE tags, which is earlier that you saw in the chat, which is these people. And you're only allowed them if they agreed. So you are only allowed to kill PvE players if they agreed, or if they agree to do like a PvP and all of that. And if in any case you change your mind, you can go here. Of course, it won't work for me because I am I'm in the other. I mean, I'm invisible. So let's do that. I mean, oh yeah, I forgot. Anyway, let's go here. So this is where the PvE section, which is when you go here, let's see here. As a chill player, you can switch between PvP on and PvP off, and if your playstyle becomes PvP or aggressive player, this will be revoked. So you choose to play your chill role, and you should behave right. So that means that if in any case you steal for somebody or you did killing spree, you kill a lot of people, then of course your PvE. E tag or the shield tag will be removed. Then switched to you will be switched to a PvP tag. So of course you're gonna go here. As you can see, I don't have any tag. Um, when I go here, it gives me PvE tag on that one. Normally, you should be routed here at the spawn, and you will see here the spawn itself. And make sure if you're a newbie, you check on the community chest. Some people just drop items in there, drop armors that might help you out. And then once you're in here, you can type kit is starter. That will give you a lot of items that will help you to start your journey. And once you got that, then you just basically go to RTP. Then um, once you have RTP, this is the time where you can grind. You can start destroying shit and crafting things and that. And if in any case you want to have a let's say you want to join a town or team, you can type slash D list. You will see here um, towns, but they are not open, only SPX. SPX is like a temporary town for you if in any case you're not comfortable going to the wild. When you go to the SPX town, PvP is turned off in here. And you can just claim or pick a plot in here, and then you just need to do a plot claim. In any case, make sure it's for sale, just like that on the hotbar. For sale by SPX, $1,000. So you can just type like plot claim and then slash confirm. Then once you enter that, this will be your claim. And make sure you do set home A or B because you can set up I think 2 or 3 set homes. That way you'll be able to switch to different homes that you set up. It's pretty empty because some people or some town recruits the newbies immediately, or maybe some newbies wants to play on their own. That's why they're not building that much in here. But this player did something, which is wow. Wow. Okay, that's nice. It's Sabu. Okay. All right. Now, once you get in here, when then you have successfully grind things, what players normally do is that they grind for the warp or for the crates. They grind things in that, and this is where you can craft the crates. You can just need, I mean, you just need to talk to that. So on the shards, this is the requirements. When you go to the basic essence, this is the requirements, and next step, and then another next step, and until you get in here to get the exact key. Now, since you're still building your town, let's say, I mean your base, you can type slash shop. This is where you can buy blocks that might help you out, or with your builds or start your base. You will have um, options or other options. I mean options for this one like blocks, meta, and etc. For the blocks is where you can buy the blocks. You can just simply left click on it, then um, click the blue one. So once you get the amount, you click this paper, and then will go to your inventory, and it will be deducted on my money. There's a SB toggle here, by the way. So that is where you can see your money there and other stuff. Mine is different because I'm the owner, of course. Now, on the warp shop, you can buy items in here. And what you just need to do if you, in any case you wanted to buy, let's say, wait, everything here is my shop. Yeah, in here you can just type tap and hold or like mildly destroy it, and you will see here in the chat, enter in chat how many wish you to buy, or you can buy one, and then press one, then there you go. I have successfully bought the item. And you can also check P warp, and you will see here that there are a lot of player warps. So some players, let's say when we go to the Asim shop, This is their shop, and you will see their items in here where that you can buy. So if you press the simply left click or yeah, just metal destroy it, press one, then you'll be able to get the diamond. There are other video for how you can create your own shop. So just make sure you watch that one. Now, uh, we have grindable ranks. We have ranks in here, which is in this one. This is the purchasable ranks is you buy or you donate depending on the amount. You will get a specific perks. If in any case we're going to donate like Ionics. That's 500 pesos per month, and you'll see these features. Some features in here is updated. I mean, not that updated. You will see updated perks on the Discord because there are more perks sometimes on this one, not just this one that you can see in here. Now, we also have dungeons. When you do warp uh, boss. You will see here, you will be teleported in here, and this is the dungeon keeper. As of now, we have two dungeons, Fantasy and Emperor's Pit. And to get that key, of course, you will need key. You will need 5 volt key, Essence of Defense, the Emperor's Pit key, and Volt key, Essence of Defense, to get the Fantasy World key. This is like the starter pack, so of course it's kind of expensive. And then to get the Essence of Defense, just like what you saw in this one, that is where you can craft the apex materials. So this is where the advanced grinding comes in. So some players grinds for this end game end game armor set. So this gives a lot of damage actually, and you will be needing to get an apex key for that one, which is this one. To get that, by the way, we'll get the essence of defense. The great Once you get the warp crates, you're gonna talk to the Great Fabron. And then this is the materials to get the essence of defense. Get phantom membrane, wax exposed copper, and then you get the damascene and two damascene to get the orichalcum, and so on. You can just read that one to get the essence of defense. And then to get the apex key, this is the where you can craft the armor set. So you go first to the catastrophe, nebulous, then adversity, and then damnation. On the catastrophe, you can just I mean you will need 20 essence of defense to get one bassinet. If in any case you want to upgrade your catastrophe, you're gonna make them as a soul to get the catastrophe soul so that you can craft the nebulous bassinet. You will need S 15 essence of defense and then the catastrophe soul to get the nebulous. And make sure um you don't what do we call this? Add Cs or slots on anything on this one. But we have other video on how you can craft the Apex crate or Apex key to get that. So you might as well check it on our YouTube. Then this is just like I showed you earlier. This is where you get the key shards and void shards to be able to craft the specific um, epic essence or I mean key essences. Then once you get the key essences, um, I mean this is the key essences crafting way. This is where you can get the advanced enchants, spawners, eggs, etc. on the crates. Then you get the key check trader. When you click that, see here it cost me 200 XP and 5,000 money to craft the relic check. And then once you get the relic check, you go to the Alki Tactical, then you'll be needing the relic essence that you just crafted earlier in there, and the same time the relic check so that you can get the solid relic key. So it's kind of complicated to craft key, but it will be worth it because you get a lot of items on the crate in here. So as you can see, there's a lot of items that you can get on the crates. Then there's a lot of crates that you can see in this. So you are very flexible to get the armor you wanted, depending on how you grind. Then, vote crate will be your friend actually, or if you're, especially if you're newbie, because you get these items already once you have a vote key and some money, some starting money for this. So, yeah. Then, there is other easy way to get uh crate keys. So, which is not that easy, but Warp Boss will give you tactical keys, epic keys, armament keys, that key, and then arsenal keys, and the warp fishing. As you can see here in the fishing contest, there's a 1 hour and 39 minutes before the next fishing contest. So you once you have seen the announcement that there will be a fishing, make sure you go to the warp fishing. Not actually you need to go to the warp fishing, but you make sure you start fishing in any water source. Then you can buy this. That way you'll be able to uh, get your starting fishing, and then you're just gonna have to start fishing. But that still depends if there is a fishing contest already. So make sure you pay attention on the announcement if there is a fishing contest or the fishing contest is already um, present. And you will be rewarded of the you will be rewarded any essences or create I mean keys essences, and that way you'll be able to craft it as the solid keys. Then I think that's pretty much it. So what is this meta? This is where you get so when I tap shop, let's RT because it's kind of lagging here. Slash shop, you'll see here meta. Once you go to the meta, hold on, let me just because it's a bit um lagging here. Okay, nice view. So when you do slash shop and you see meta in here, this is the effective way of making money. It's like at least a starting money. And once you get enough money, then you can make your own shop. And then you can trade with peoples, buy and sell, so that that way you'll be able to get more money. So this is, for example, on the magma block, you'll be needing to make a magma grinder. And then for the phantom, you'll be needing phantom grinders and so on in this part. Indicators and other stuff. Now, yeah, I think that's pretty much it on this. And you enjoy playing, and just ask other people if in any case, because every player has a different way of making money. So might as well check them. So that in that way you'll be able to know the on how they grind a lot or how they grind so fast. So depending on the strategy. So I don't play that survival much. I'm just here to manage the server, so I'm not sure on how the survival works that much. So I still the server depends on the players, on what they like, and depending on the players liking as well. Most of the decisions making and with this most of the decisions here in the server came from player suggestions. So might as well join our Discord so that you will be updated real time if there's any changes, new updates, new features, and yep, that's pretty much it. And thank you for watching. Enjoy grinding. Bye bye.